Hey, what is up, all you awesome streamers? Wild for Games here, but of course, you already knew that. I'm gonna do a little bit of a different video here today. It's gonna be a little more dry, but it's gonna be extremely informative, and it's gonna be one of the best tips I can give any streamer out there. In fact, it's a tip that has to do with making more money on your live streaming platform, regardless if it's Twitch, YouTube gaming, or Facebook gaming. This tip is the one tip that I love teaching full-time streamers and partnered streamers out there that increase their revenue on their live streaming platform. You can start making more money week after week, month after month, year after year. It's an awesome tip. You're not gonna wanna miss it, so stay tuned because it's a doozy. But first, a word from our sponsor. Overlays, overlays, and overlays. That's right. If you need an awesome overlay, look no further than OWN. You want to kick up your stream's visual representation with some awesome eye candy? Take a look at the brand new Pixel Series package on OWN, where you can leap back into the Pixel past and make your stream look oh so pretty. Take a look at owned.tv and always go down to the bottom of their website for awesome coupon codes so you can save money. Hey, want to save even more? Make sure you click through the links down in my video description to do just that. Now, back to the video. Oh man, I'm making some big promises in this video, but I know I can deliver, so here we go. So what is the one secret tip that I give? Well, it's quite simple actually. It's affiliate marketing. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you have to be strategic of how you use affiliate marketing for your streams on YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook gaming. You see, you provide a particular value to your community and new people coming in. And if you can really hone down, refine, and market that value, your affiliate marketing can make you some really good and smart passive income. All right. Maybe I'm getting a little too ahead of myself. You're probably thinking, Wild, what the heck is affiliate marketing? Well, to break it down simply so everybody understands, affiliate marketing is where you can sign up with a website or platform, and when you become an affiliate and you promote their products, generally via a URL, and anytime a user clicks through that link there, if they make a purchase, you get a small percentage of the sale. Now you're probably like, that's cool and everything, but how's this gonna help someone like me make money off my Twitch channel? Well, I'm glad you asked. When I'm helping out and coaching partnered streamers and professional streamers, I let them know that they have something that's extremely unique that they've built that they may not be aware of. And that is they have a value and that they provide solutions. When you watch partnered and professional streamers, generally their lava is really good. Their lighting, their audio, their video, and their aesthetics. And that means they have a value, and that means they can provide solutions to the viewing audience or people that are trickling in. Hey, they can inform people how their audio is so clean, or how their lighting looks so good, or how their aesthetics on their stream just work and flow. And that's where affiliate marketing becomes super strong. And you're thinking, well, I'm a small or medium streamer out there. You too can provide awesome values and solutions to people within your community and coming into your stream. And the reason you can really take advantage of this is because your community is so much smaller, you have a lot more time to really talk them through and more or less sell them on the product by demonstrating how it works so well within your stream. Let me give you some strong examples. When I'm live streaming and I'm doing coaching on my Twitch channel at Wild for Games at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard, shameless promotion. Make sure you tune in there if you want a review. Every time somebody new comes in, they ask about this microphone right here. This is the Tonor Q9 microphone, and I love using it because it's a budget-friendly starter USB microphone. And somebody will come in and always ask, hey, what microphone do you use? And every time I literally just go, hey, how you doing? Thanks for checking out the stream. Yeah, this microphone right here is the Tonor Q9. It's perhaps one of my favorite starter microphones for any streamer out there. It's an easy plug and play USB microphone, and the best part about it is it's a full kit microphone. You get the microphone, the pop filter, the cradle, the boom arm, and all the cables, all for one low price, coming in right around 50 to 65 USD. If you're interested in it, you can do me a favor and just go down to the bottom of the channel and click through it, and you'll find out more information about it. Plus, you help support my channel. Literally, no joke, they'll be gone for 5 minutes, come back and tell me they bought it. I'm not even joking. I have sold the Tonor Q9 microphone more than 100 times through affiliate marketing. It's an awesome way to take advantage of the platform you're on and the values and solutions that you can provide to your viewing audience. Let me give you another example that may apply to you. I do a lot of streaming under the art category on Twitch, where I demonstrate and show off my skills with oil painting and acrylic pours. And every time I do a creative stream, there's always one or a handful of people that comes in and asks me about my brushes or my painting supplies or my colors. And every time I lead them right to a list that shows them exactly what I use. And when I look back at the analytics, I sell a lot of products that way, and you can easily too. Now, the biggest pushback I get from a lot of people out there when I give them this tip or tell them to start implementing it is they go, "Wild, but I'm a smaller medium streamer, or I stream within a very niche directory or category." I don't care. This is still a strong, powerful tool, because eventually, as long as you're putting your best foot forward and delivering a great presentation on your live streaming platform, people will be interested in what you use. And I don't care if it's about the games that you're streaming. Yeah, that can be affiliate marketing right there. Or the lava, the lighting, the audio, the visuals, or the aesthetics. All those can be affiliate marketing. Or supplies or accessories that you use to generate awesome content on your stream. All of that could be affiliate marketing for you. If you're still a naysayer out there about this tip, allow me to show you a really cool kicker about it that really doesn't matter if you make a sale or not. The platform I'm going to recommend when anyone starts out with affiliate marketing is Amazon Associates. Now, it's the biggest and it's the easiest to sign up with, which I'll get to in a moment on this channel here. But the cool thing about it is if you're talking about a product or supplies or anything on your channel and people click through it, it doesn't matter if they buy that product. If they buy anything within Amazon within a 24-hour time period, you still make affiliate sales on anything that they buy within that window, which is why this is so awesome. They could just be researching a product that you recommended or a service, and boom, if they buy anything like a household item or something that they need, you make money off of it. That's pretty freaking powerful and really awesome. Now that I got you really jazzed about it, and I'm super excited because now I'm getting myself excited about it because I want to make you some money, let me show you how to implement it and roll it into your channel so that way you can get going. Step number one, you gotta sign up with Amazon Associates. Now, there's tons of other platforms out there that do affiliate marketing and associate sales and everything like that, but Amazon is by far the easiest to get into and easiest to use. So we're just gonna concentrate on that for right now. Link in the video description down below to take you right to it so you can get up and running. Now that you're an Amazon associate, there are a few simple ways to really show off your affiliate marketing so that way it doesn't come off as selling out or needy or anything like that. The easiest one is if you like to use extensions, you can use Amazon Blacksmith on the Twitch extensions page. All that essentially does is you put in your information and it populates within a nice window there where people can check out the equipment and supplies you use for your live stream. Now, it's nice and it's clean. However, Blacksmith isn't my favorite thing for one strong reason. It's because extensions and widgets and assets on Twitch right now still aren't mobile friendly. So about 30% of your users won't see this, which is why I would just recommend making a basic panel. Make a panel that says stream gear or hardware or whatever you want to call it. And underneath that, I want you to start writing all of your items in Markdown. Now, if you're not sure how to get to Markdown, which allows you to make things that are hyperlinks, I'll put a link down below so that way you can click right to it. But whenever you click on a panel and it says edit panel, below any new panel there, it'll say something of a hyperlink that says how to write in Markdown or what Markdown is. That's all you got to do to get to it. And all we want to do is slowly start listing out our items. I really recommend making it nice and clean and organized so that way people know exactly what they're going to and they know exactly what they're clicking on. If you need a great example, you can go to my channel. It's all the way at the bottom there. So that way you can follow the same format if you like the format that I've laid out. One way to amplify affiliate marketing on your live streaming channel is by utilizing your bot to help out with certain parts of sales. Whatever you're most proudest of in your stream, whether it be lighting, your audio, your aesthetics, your visuals, whatever it might be, those products you think that people are most interested in. For example, how we talked about the microphone, we want to make that a command. exclamation point mic or microphone, whatever's easiest for your channel. And all it needs to do is populate up that affiliate link. And this is a great way to amplify your sales because anytime somebody asks about a certain part, you have that command ready to go, or your mods can even use it for you. I guarantee you this works. Literally, no joke. I know this works so well because all the time I used to have people come into my channel and ask me about my hair. Hey, by the way, Twitch's best self-proclaimed hair right here. Everybody would always ask me about the products I would use in my hair, to where at some point I just made it a joke and I made an exclamation point hair command, and all it did was point to the Amazon associate affiliate link that led to the product that I use. And guess what? I would sell that product all the time. Yeah, I would only make about 35 to 65 cents every time I sold it, but that was like 10 times a week. I mean, it blew my mind that I was making just like 20 bucks off of this product a month by doing nothing. It took me 4 to 5 seconds to set up. Now, if you're a unique streamer, perhaps you're an artist or a musician, or you have a unique stream setup or stream room where you'd have a lot of products that you want to link to associate sales, what I'd really recommend, rather than making a gigantic list that's going to make your channel really long and be a cluster, is just make a Google Doc where it shows everything well organized, the product, and then the Amazon link next to that. And then take that Google Doc link and just put it in that panel that people can click through. That's personally what I do with my creative panel for all my art supplies, because there is a lot. The best part about affiliate marketing is as you start to grow, so do your sales. So everything works in tandem. And the best part about this, if you're a brand new streamer and you've got a unique presentation, you got a unique way of doing things, people will be inclined and you will make sales. I used to make sales with Amazon associate sales when I had 5 and under viewers. I kid you not. Granted, it was $1 or $2 here, but that was $1 or $2 more than I had that stream. Like, no joke, I'm actually like excited about this video and how I'm sharing this information with you, because it will transform your life. Affiliate and associate marketing has transformed my life. I have made a good amount of money off of it, and I know you can too, provided, please, provided you put a good foot forward. You have a good presentation. You have something unique, you're providing a value, or you're providing a solution. If you don't do any of those, you're gonna be dead in the water here. So please pick up your game, become bigger and better. And one of the best ways to become bigger and better is by binge watching all of my awesome tips and tricks that are gonna make you big and better, which is why I'm gonna put a video here over to the side that's gonna really ramp up your game and make you so much better. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it helps you out because I want you to be successful on this platform. And you know what? I know you will be. And if you need more help, I'm always here for you because I'm Wild for Games, making sure that you're gonna be good. Held this piece up for a little too long, but it's all right. I will see you all later. Take care and peace.